Before I create a character style, I want to create a paragraph style for this text here. So I'll just select it anywhere in the text, come in here, double click on it, and I'm just going to call it menu text like this. And double click on it, we can change the font. We've been using Cocoon for this, so we'll go back to that one. It's changed, and we can choose 12 point, looks fine. We'll maybe change the lettering to 16, and we'll just leave it at that for the time being. Now I want to create a character style. We did create character styles in the beginner's course, and I'd just do them again a little bit here. And let's say we wanted to highlight some of the text in red like this. So we could take this and we'll just select it, and we'll choose bold italic, and then we'll come down and change the color to red. Now when I click in this paragraph here, you can see that it says menu text. There's nothing beside it. However, if I come over here and click it within where I've changed it, you get the plus sign. The plus sign always tells me that it's been overridden, and this little pop out here tells me what the override actually is. If I triple click to select the entire paragraph, I do get the plus sign. Remember, if you hit the Alt or Option key like that and click on this, it resets it to the default. So let me undo that and get it back there. So although you can go through and manually add text like this, it's best to create a style from this, and we can create a character style. Now character styles can be contained in paragraph styles without affecting them. So I'll come over to character styles and click a new style, double click, and I'll just call this red intro like that. Again, when I come over here and look at it, it has most of these boxes are blank. The only ones that have anything in them are here where I've changed the font style, and here where I've changed the red color from black. So it only puts the overrides in here that we can select. Now of course we can come through and change any of these. If we just want it to be bold, for example, we come back and choose bold like that. Any of these options, when there's a dash through it, it means it hasn't been overridden. It's going to accept the default style for it. So we'll just accept it. We'll go back to bold italic for this case and click on OK. Now you'll notice that when we come over, let me triple click in this and go over to our paragraph styles now. The menu text, if I come in and click on it like this, it still changes it because we had not changed this. But notice that the plus sign is not there, even though this text is here. And that's because it knows that this is a character style, so it is an official override, so to speak. So if I wanted it to apply to the first two words, I can come over and apply red intro there, come over here, triple click, and there the menu text is not showing me the plus sign for overrides, even though there's clearly an override in there, but it's an official character style. If I do want to get rid of this, I can't hold down the Option or Alt key and click on this and get rid of it because it still maintains it. I can come over to the character styles, select this, and choose none. And then, of course, it'll revert back to the menu styles. So that's how the character styles work. However, as we move along through this chapter, you'll find that we can embed these character styles within paragraph styles to make it even easier to create complex styles.